Doing my makeup to match my extremely funky shirt. I don't know why I just grabbed my boobs like that. I'm sorry. I now have a lot of colors I need to fit in my very small eye space, but I figured we would start by putting down a white base of sorts. Gotta make sure you can see it when you still close your eyes. Then I think I need to be going straight into that lavender. Yeah, and then strip it down. I think we can worry about perfect later. For now, let's go into the orange. And then in we go to the green, which I'm going to take a bigger brush for. Then back in we go with a smaller brush again and a hot pink. Before I continue, I'm just going to make everything a little more even. We're gonna finish off with another layer of that purple. Then I'm also going to make this a sort of eyeliner moment. It's not super even, but it'll do. I'm gonna add some pinkier blush to tie it together. I think this looks just calls for purple mascara, but since we won't be doing lashes then, because I don't have purple lashes, I am priming my hairs. Okay, let's see what we're working with. It's getting there, and I am liking this vision. Oh fuck yeah! This looks so good. By the way, if you don't have a lash comb, what are you doing with your life? Look at the difference that's just made. Plumping. Never heard of her. Actually, it's not that deep, but I'm happy with that purchase, so, you know. Let's just finish off with some freckles, some honey love. And that is the look complete. What do you guys think? Granted, it's not perfect, but I am so proud of myself for trying something outside my comfort zone. Goodbye.